Now that I finished the first side, I flipped it over. I'm going to do the second side. Same deal. Just get a good grip on that grinder. Get rid of those milled edges and those sharp 90-degree angles. And you can see how I'm using the grinder at an angle there and moving it around this way and that so you don't develop a pattern. Just going to go along, get all the flat off there. And again, when you're doing this in person, you can see how the flat, you can see you're not getting leaving any milled spots there. Once we get this done, or once I get it done, then I'll take the piece and mark off some random lengths. I don't really measure unless I had something specific in mind where I needed one to be exactly a certain height. I typically just run down and measure them off anywhere from 3 to 8 inches, something like that, and then cut the individual pieces. Now what this does is when you shape the entire 8-foot piece at once, is it's a lot easier than if you cut up the individual pieces and then tried to shape each side when they're small. Much easier to do it when it's big like this and then you just cut it up. So I'm going to do the same thing here, just going to flip it around so I can get that other edge. It's basically done now. Going to move that clamp a little bit, not keep it in the same spot, otherwise I won't be able to get the surface of the wood that was underneath the clamp. So I just kind of move it a little bit. So I'll just finish this off and then we'll move on to cutting the piece up and doing each end, because when I cut this now, I'm going to have obviously a cut end on either side of the small piece, so we need to finish that off.